How to fix Messenger delivered icon not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to find the option of apps. Then tap on manage apps. Now you just have to scroll down to find the application over here. Now search for Messenger over here. Then tap on it. Then tap on clear data and clear cache. After that, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for the Messenger application. Now go back and tap on Play Store application and then just search for Messenger application over here, just to make sure that you have an updated and the latest version of Messenger application on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.